picture my socks.
Look at this kid. This kid that bitches about getting hit in the nose with a lollipop.
Look at it.
Oh no!
It's terrible.
I'm gonna cry about it. Oh, nice.
I thought you guys would be about this sucker situation, but
The sucker
Amy,
situation.
what do you think about the sucker situation?
I think it blows like a lollipop. Or like a blow
I think it's goddamn
it was
delicious.
sour apple too, which I would have eaten.
Dude, sour apple's good.
It shattered.
Did it have gum in it?
No, hell yeah, it did. I wouldn't know. It got broke on my phone.
By the time it broke, he didn't know if it was gum inside.
That's some
I was all hopped
horseshit.
up on antidepressants and wine coolers.
Why? Because you had your period?
no shoe.
Yeah,
Your vagina hurt?
a little bit.
A little bit?
It was tender, I'll say that.
Did you want some
Yeah.
Midol? I got some.
We can get you a
Buddy, actually, that's what he
tampon.
takes when he gets headaches. He
Would you like
takes
a
Midol.
tampon to stick up your ass?
I need a man pawn.
A man?
You have a man pond. He might get it lost inside of
pond?
him for 6
Ew.
months.
Jesus. Oh, no, don't start talking about that. Don't even talk about that. No.
That story is amazing.
No.
It
Don't
is
even talk
amazing.
about No.
It is an amazing story.
No.
I'll give you a
No
lava
one-
lamp and everything.
If anyone ever talks about that story again, I will kill you. Yeah, I can see everyone. Hey, Sean. I can see your ass all the way over there.
Sean, you're on the video.
On videotape.
Video, you fucking cunt.
Fuck you, dick. I'll come over there and I'll fucking kung fu kick you in the mouth.
He said crumb food.
You want me to
Shut up. Why do you have to correct you?